The Beginner's Guide to SEO for your website. Hey everyone, and welcome to Boldmark. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of SEO, also known as search engine optimization. Now, SEO might sound intimidating, but fear not. This video is your crash course on the basics to get your website ranking higher and attracting more visitors. What is SEO, and why is it important? Imagine you have a fantastic bakery with the most delicious cookies in town, but if no one knows it exists, how will they ever get to taste your creations? SEO is like putting up a giant neon sign that says, "Hey, come get these amazing cookies!" In simpler terms, SEO is the practice of optimizing your website to rank higher in search engine page results, like Google. The higher you rank, the more likely people are to find your website when they search for something related to your business. The 3 pillars of SEO. There are 3 main areas that make up a strong SEO strategy: keyword research, on-page SEO, and off-page SEO. Don't worry, these terms will become crystal clear by the end of the video. Keyword research, finding the right words. Think of keywords as the questions people type into search engines. Keyword research is like figuring out what those questions are for your niche. For example, if you have a bakery, some relevant keywords might be best chocolate chip cookies near me, or easy homemade bread recipe. There are free and paid tools available to help you with keyword research. We'll explore some options in the video description below. On-page SEO, optimizing your website. Once you have your keywords, it's time to optimize your website content for them. Here's what you can do. Target keywords. Sprinkle your keywords naturally throughout your website content, titles, descriptions, and headings. Don't overdo it though. You want it to sound natural. Meta descriptions. These are short summaries that appear under your website listing in search results. Craft compelling descriptions that include your keywords and entice viewers to click. Images and videos. Don't forget to optimize images with relevant keywords in the file names and alt text descriptions. Off-page SEO, building authority. Off-page SEO focuses on building your website's authority and credibility. This is where backlinks come in. Backlinks are links from other websites that point back to yours. The more high-quality backlinks you have, the better your website will be seen by search engines. Getting started with SEO. Now you have the SEO basics under your belt. Here are some actionable steps to get started. Choose a few target keywords. Focus on a handful of relevant keywords and optimize your content for them. Write high-quality content. People crave valuable and informative content. Keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Promote your website. Share your content on social media and relevant online communities. Remember, SEO is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time and consistent effort to see results. But by implementing these beginner-friendly tips, you'll be well on your way to boosting your traffic and achieving your online goals. Want to take your SEO to the next level and dominate search engine results? We can help. Boldmark Digital Marketing Agency is a team of SEO experts who can create a customized strategy to get your website ranking high. Visit our website or leave a comment below to learn more about our services. Thanks for joining me on this SEO journey. If you have any questions or SEO struggles you'd like to share, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content to grow your online presence. Until next time, happy SEOing!